Boss.
What?
Wow, very good.
More.
You know it.
Wow. Kamaw na si Kuya.
Are you do that for your living?
No.
Magpunot na. Huwag na mag-rent.
For 50 pieces or 100 pieces, 200 pieces, you do it like that. Can you?
I have to.
Dili pa siguro.
I'm just being careful, right?
Mike doing has the coconut. Hussing the coconut. Oh, you got it! Wow! You got it, Daddy.
Pangit.
Pangit. Oh, but and then tudloy dong iana na sa.
For me, it's 2 minutes. For him, it's 3 seconds.
Yep. Tudloy si saon. Oy, dili pa. Pa na mahuman. It's not done. Oy, you more? No. Like that. Oh, get the
Okay.
and then there.
Ah, bunga.
Bungaw. Done. Okay, another one.
Faster.
Pastor, no. Watch out. Whoa. You know what? My father does that all the time. They do the copras.
Yeah.
Does he do has the coconut. That's his work for living. And you gonna do like Tatay did? Like my father does, huh?
If I have to.
So how is it? Is it hard or
Yeah, if you do all day.
be careful your hand, huh?
Yeah, that's why I'm slow.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah. There we go. Or you can put that one in the orchids. The
Already cracked.
huh?
This one.
Yeah. No, don't cut it. Oh. Wow. Huh?